I can fix it.
All right, I put everything back in place for the lock. Now it's for the true test. So I'm sitting in the car now. Issue before was I was sitting in the car, the door's unlocked, and I could not open the door. So, test. Door's unlocked. Boom! All right, let's lock the car. Attempt to do this again, making sure everything works. I can't unlock the car. Beautiful. Unlock, open. Oh, yay. What a blessed time. Now I had to test it from the outside because just as important as being able to get out of a car is being able to get into a car. So, closing the door. Door's unlocked. Yay, it unlocks. Okay. Let me lock it. Hey, I can't open it, or I locked it and now it's not openable, or not open. Now, last test is the key here. So the key gets inserted, turn it. Oh, that's my problem. Okay, so I can unlock it with the remote, but not with the key right now. So I gotta do a little bit more work, gotta open it back up. So that'll be for later. All right, coming soon.